Giraffes, characteristics and habitat. The giraffe, Giraffa camelopardalis, is one of the most remarkable and iconic animals in the world, renowned for its towering height and elegant stature. Native to the savannas and open woodlands of Africa, giraffes are the tallest terrestrial animals, offering a unique perspective on evolutionary adaptations and ecological relationships. Below, we delve into their physical characteristics, behavior, diet, reproduction, and natural habitat. 1. Height and structure. Giraffes are the tallest land mammals, with adult males reaching heights of 4.6 to 6 meters, 15 to 20 feet, and females standing slightly shorter. Their extraordinary height is largely attributed to their long necks, which can measure up to 2 meters, 6.5 feet. Despite their length, a giraffe's neck contains only 7 cervical vertebrae, the same number as most mammals, including humans. However, these vertebrae are greatly elongated. 2. Coat and patterns. Giraffes are adorned with unique coat patterns consisting of irregular, polygonal patches in shades of orange, brown, or black, separated by lighter hair. These patterns provide camouflage in the dappled light of their natural habitats and are unique to each individual, much like human fingerprints. 3. Limbs and locomotion. Their long legs, especially the front legs, are slightly longer than the hind legs, giving them a sloping back. Their legs are powerful, enabling them to run at speeds of up to 60 km per hour, 37 miles per hour, over short distances and sustain 15 km per hour, 9 miles per hour, over longer ones. Giraffes walk in a unique gait known as pacing, where both legs on one side move simultaneously. 4. Ossicones. Both male and female giraffes possess ossicones, short, horn-like structures on their heads. These ossicones are made of ossified cartilage and are covered with skin and hair. Males often have thicker ossicones due to frequent use in combat. 5. Tongue and prehensile lips. A giraffe's tongue is prehensile, measuring up to 50 centimeters, 20 inches, and is a dark blue-black color, possibly to prevent sunburn. This specialized tongue and their flexible lips allow them to grasp and strip leaves from thorny branches with remarkable dexterity. Behavior and social structure. 1. Social groups. Giraffes are generally social animals, living in loose, open herds without a strict hierarchy. These groups often consist of females and their offspring, while males may form bachelor groups or roam solitarily. Herds can vary in size, with members joining and leaving frequently, a behavior known as a fission-fusion social system. 2. Communication. While giraffes were once thought to be largely silent, recent research has revealed that they communicate using infrasonic sounds, which are below the threshold of human hearing. They also use grunts, snorts, and hums for social interaction. 3. Defense and predation. Giraffes have few natural predators due to their size and strength, but calves are vulnerable to lions, hyenas, and leopards. Adult giraffes can defend themselves with powerful kicks capable of breaking a predator's bones. Herbivorous diet. Giraffes are strict herbivores, primarily feeding on leaves, shoots, flowers, and fruits from trees and shrubs. They favor the leaves of the acacia tree, despite its thorns, as well as mimosa and wild apricot trees. Adaptations for feeding. Their height gives them access to food sources unavailable to other herbivores. Giraffes feed by wrapping their tongues around leaves and pulling them free. They spend most of their day feeding, consuming up to 30 kilograms, 66 pounds, of food daily. Water consumption. Giraffes can go for weeks without water, obtaining much of their hydration from their diet. When they do drink, they must awkwardly splay their front legs or kneel to lower their heads to the ground, making them vulnerable to predators during this activity. Gestation and birth. The gestation period lasts about 15 months, resulting in a single calf, though twins are rare. Calves are born standing and are approximately 1.8 meters, 6 feet, tall at birth. Remarkably, they drop to the ground from their mother's standing position during delivery, which helps stimulate their first breaths. Growth and development. Calves can stand and walk within hours of birth. They remain vulnerable during their first weeks of life, often forming nursery groups with other calves under the supervision of a few adults while their mothers feed nearby. Natural habitat. Giraffes are endemic to sub-Saharan Africa and are found in savannas, grasslands, and open woodlands. Their range includes countries such as Kenya, Tanzania, South Africa, Botswana, and Namibia. Giraffes prefer areas with abundant trees and shrubs, particularly those that include their favored food sources. They thrive in ecosystems where they can roam freely, as their large size requires vast territories to sustain their dietary needs. Role in ecosystems. Giraffes play a crucial ecological role as browsers. By feeding on tree canopies, they shape the vegetation structure, promoting biodiversity by allowing sunlight to reach the ground and enabling the growth of smaller plants. They also act as seed dispersers, contributing to the regeneration of plant species through their feces. Challenges and conservation efforts. Despite their majestic presence, giraffes face numerous threats. Habitat loss, urbanization, agriculture, and deforestation have reduced their habitats. Poaching, giraffes are hunted for their meat, hides, and tails. Climate change, altered rainfall patterns affect food availability. Conservation organizations, such as the Giraffe Conservation Foundation, GCF, work to protect giraffe populations through habitat restoration, community engagement, and research. Ecotourism initiatives also help fund these efforts while raising awareness about giraffe conservation. Conclusion. The giraffe is a marvel of the natural world, embodying evolutionary ingenuity and ecological importance. As ambassadors of the African savanna, they remind us of the delicate balance between wildlife and their habitats. By understanding their characteristics, behaviors, and the challenges they face, we can contribute to efforts to ensure their survival for generations to come.